Hello everyone, my name is Sadam Abdullah Fakih. I would like to retell the novel Evensong by Gail Godwin. The story follows Margaret Banner, a young Episcopal priest who lives in the small mountain town of High Balsam, North Carolina. Margaret is married to Adrian Banner, and together they try to build a meaningful life while serving their Kutch community. As a priest, Margaret spends much of her time helping people who come to her with personal, family, and spiritual problems. Although she loves her work, she often feels the pressure of being responsible for so many people. At the beginning of the novel, Margaret is adjusting to her role as both a wife and spiritual leader. Many members of her congregation seek her advice. Some are dealing with grief after losing loved ones, while others struggle with loneliness and broken relationship or uncertainty about the future. Margaret tries her best to help them, but she slowly realized that not every problem can be solved easily. One of the important people in Margaret's life is Grace Munger, an elderly woman who has experienced many hardships. Through her friendship with Grace, Margaret learns valuable lessons about faith, strength, and accepting life's difficulties. Grace often shares her experiences and wisdom, helping Margaret understand the people around her more deeply. As the story continues, Margaret becomes involved and she is involved in the lives of many different characters. She visits the sick, listens to confessions, leads church service, and offers comfort to people facing difficult situations. Sometimes she feels overwhelmed because everyone expects her to have answers. However, she gradually learns that her role is not to fix every problem but to support people while they find their own way to forward. At the same time, Margaret's relationship with her husband Adrian grows stronger. Adrian is caring and supportive, and he often helps Margaret when she feels exhausted by her responsibilities. Their marriage is one of the most important parts of the story because it shows how love, trust, and communication help people overcome challenges together. As the year progresses, several conflicts emerge within the community. Some characters are forced to face mistakes they made in the past. Others struggles with feelings of guilt, regret, or fear. Margaret spends a great deal of time helping these people work through their problems. Through this experience, she learns that forgiveness is often more difficult than people expect, but it's also necessary for healing. The second half of the novel takes place during the Advent season as Christmas approaches. During this period, many characters begin reflecting on their lives and relationships. Some seek forgiveness, while others try to repair damaged connections with family members and friends. Margaret continues guiding them, even when she faces her own doubts or her own frustrations. Another important part of the story involves growing concerns about the approaching new millennium. Some people become anxious about what the future might bring. In chapters such as Countdown to Armageddon and Armageddon, these fears become more visible. However, the novel is not about a literal end of the world. Instead, it focuses on how people react to uncertainty and change. As events fold, several characters experience personal growth. They learn to be more honest with themselves and others. Relationships that were once damaged begin to heal. People start letting go of old grudge and misunderstanding. Margaret also changed throughout the story. She becomes more confident in her role as a priest and realizes that true leadership comes from compassion, patience, and understanding rather than having all the answers. Near the end of the novel, many of conflicts are resolved. The community becomes stronger as people learn to support one another. Margaret reflects on everything she has experienced and recognizes how much she has grown. She understands that faith is not only about religious ceremonies but also about showing kindness, forgiveness, and love in everyday life. In the epilogue, the story ends on a hopeful note. Life is still imperfect, but the characters have learned important lessons about faith, relationships, and personal growth. Margaret feels grateful for the people around her and looks toward the future with renewed hope. Overall, Evensong is a touching story about faith, community, forgiveness, and human connection. Through Margaret Banner's journey, the novel shows that even ordinary acts of kindness can make a meaningful difference in people's lives. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.